बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। फर्स्ट ईयर क्लास स्टूडेंट्स, ये आप लोगों की पोइम 5 जो है ल्यूसी गिरे, वो मैं आज आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। अच्छा, इनके कुछ प्री रीडिंग के क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये देख लीजिएगा। लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड एक्सप्रेस व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व इन इट। आप पिक्चर्स वहाँ पे मौजूद होगी बुक में ल्यूसी गिरे से पहले, तो आप उससे ऑब्जर्व क्या कर रहे हैं। आई ऑब्जर्व एन ओबीडेंट चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू समवेयर. She has a lantern in order to see the track. Surrounding to the child, a storm also can also be felt. ठीक है, मैंने एक बच्ची देखी है, वो ओबीडेंट चाइल्ड जो है, और उसके इर्द गिर्द स्टॉर्म भी है। हाउ कैन यू डिस्क्राइब एन ओबीडेंट चाइल्ड? एन ओबीडेंट चाइल्ड नेवर सेज नो टू इट्स पेरेंट्स. It sacrifices its life for the sake of parents. It heartily respects to its elders. ठीक है. How much are your parents attracted to you? My parents are totally attached to me. They never force me to do any work. They give preference to my will. They really respect me a lot. ठीक है. Number 4. Does anyone among you know a story related to a child? Yes, I know a story related to a child of our village. She was 9 years old. She was the daughter of a farmer. Near to our village there was a well. One night she went out to buy things from nearby shops. She did not return for a long time. When her parents went for search, they saw her body floating in the well. It was very mournful night of our village. ठीक है, ये एक स्टोरी मैंने अपने गांव की आप लोगों से शेयर की है। व्हाट रियल स्टोरी है ये। व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ? आई नो दैट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ वाज अ रोमांटिक पोइट. He was born in the Lake District of England. Thus he was also called the Lake Poet. He started new type of poetry called romantic poetry. He was really a great poet. ठीक है. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 आ जाए, प्री रीडिंग खत्म। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1, वर्ड्स हैं, कुछ उनकी मीनिंग कॉन्टेक्चुअल देनी है। सॉलिटरी मीन सिंगल, ओनली, अलोन, नो मेड जो होते हैं। रेस्ट मीन रूंड, कॉमरेड मीन फ्रेंड और मेट। प्ले, वॉन्टन मीन प्ले और विलफुल। ट्रिपिंग मीन स्टम्बलिंग। ठीक है. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2, MCQs. द पोइट चांस टू सी ल्यूसी एट द डे ऑफ द ब्रेक. Lucy's father asked Lucy to go to the town with a lantern to bring her mother. Lucy replied to her that she would dash go to the town to take back her mother gladly. Number 4, Lucy could not reach the town because she lost her way in the storm. Number 5, the wooden bridge was at a distance of dash from Lucy's home, a furlong. Number 6, Lucy's parents became certain of her death when they saw her footprints. Number 7, some people still believe that Lucy can be seen in a wind. Number 8, people believe Lucy can be seen doing these activities except talking to people. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आ जाए नंबर 3 पे. नंबर 3 है, पोएम को दोबारा पढ़ें और क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देने हैं। Where did the Lucy live and what kind of child she was? Lucy lived on Wildmoor. She was solitary child. She does not have any friend or partner. Where did Lucy's father send her and why? Lucy's father sent Lucy to the town to bring her mother back. What did Lucy mean when she said yonder is the moon? Yonder is the moon. Lucy means to say that there is yet enough time for the time to fall. Time for the night to fall. Number 4. Number 4, what did Lucy take lantern with her? Why? Lantern क्यों ली थी उन्होंने? Lucy had to go to the town to bring her mother back. She took lantern with her in order to see the path in a stormy weather because the storm was also expected. Number 5, do you think that the tragedy would have been prevented if Lucy's father himself had gone down to the town? Lucy's father was experienced and aged person. He was familiar with the tracks of the town. So if he instead of Lucy had gone down to the town, the tragedy would have been prevented. Number 6, what happened to Lucy while she was going to the town? Lucy Gray's feet were slipped down and she wandered up and down It was an unexpected storm before the time. She lost her way and fell from the hills. She tried to climb the hills but could not reach the town. Number 7. What efforts did Lucy's parents make in finding her? Lucy's parents searched her far and wide. They shouted all the night. After a long search, they succeeded to trace her feet on the bridge. The feet led them a snowy path to the hawthorn hedge of the bridge, where their daughter was slipped down and died. Number 8. What led the Lucy's parents to bridge? Lucy's footmarks led her parents to the bridge. What do people still maintain about the Lucy Gray and why? Lucy had become immortal because after her death, the people began to believe that she was still a living child who could be seen alone at the break of the day. Only those who had the deep concern with the natural beauty. She was seen by singing a solitary song in the moor, walking rough and smooth and never looked behind. Exercise number 4 जो है ये इनकी पोएटिक डिक्शन मिस हो गई मुझसे, ये मैंने नहीं किया. इसका थीम जो है Two of the main themes throughout Wordsworth poems are nature and loss of love. Lucy not only lives away from society and the moors, but she also travels through the wilderness. It is suggested that she enjoys nature because people claim to hear her playfully whistling on her journey to the town. Next जो है इसका स्ट्रक्चर जो है कौन सी है? Lucy Gray was written in 1799. Appeared in the second edition of the Lyrical Ballads published in 1800. This is opposite to the Abbot of Canterbury, which is traditional ballad. The ballad is divided into 16 stanzas, 64 lines. ये जो ballad है ये भी. Each stanza has divided into 4 lines quatrain. The rhyming scheme is A B and so on. The ballad is simple tragic story of the lonely girl. Number language. Next है language. Okay, the language in the poem Lucy Gray is plain and simple. Form and language in their bare simplicity contribute to the bleak tone of the poem, of the story of a simple tragedy in a cold bleak country beneath the snow. Message जो है in this poem, the poet believes that Lucy Gray's soul becomes the part of nature after her death. Her soul still haunts the hill and sings a sweet song to guide the people in the stormy nights. ठीक है. हाउ शुड एल्डर्स गाइड देयर चिल्ड्रेन टू सेव देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम सम फोर्सेबल डेंजर्स, वर्क इन पेयर एंड डिस्कस. एल्डर को क्या करना चाहिए अपने बच्चों को समझाने के लिए? ये 5वीं एक्सरसाइज है. एल्डर्स शुड टोटली फोकस ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ देयर हाउस. अपने घर का माहौल सही रखें. फर्स्टली दे शुड क्रिएट एन एनवायरनमेंट सेफ फ्रॉम एब्यूसेस एंड आउटवर्ड्स. एब्यूसिव वे लैंग्वेज ना हो. दे शुड नॉट टॉक with one another harshly and loudly in front of their children, because the children always try to copy their elders. They act what they learn from their parents. Secondly, they should try to keep cooperative behavior with their children, as the children can easily share problems with their elders. In such way, the parents will be able to know the problems of their children, and in critical conditions, elders should help them in every way. ठीक है. अच्छा, उसके बाद है ये एक्सप्लेनेशन है हर स्टेंजा की, हर लाइन की एक्सप्लेनेशन है. आप लोग देख लें. रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन. ये दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द ल्यूसी ग्रे रिटन बाय. ये रेफरेंस और कॉन्टेक्स्ट हर किसी में सेम होगा, एक्सप्लेनेशन चेंज होगी. ठीक है. ये दूसरे की एक्सप्लेनेशन है. ये हर पोएम स्टेंजा की एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने दी है. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप लोग खुद देख सकते हैं, मैं बता नहीं रहा हूँ इसको. ठीक है. और ये नोट की फॉर्म में भी मौजूद है हमारे पास. इतनी ज़्यादा प्राइस नहीं है, सिर्फ 100 रुपीज़ है अगर आपको चाहिए तो. अच्छा, ये एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7 है. ये सेल्फ स्टडी है. ये आप लोगों को पोएम बनाने हैं. पोएम आप लोगों को अपनी बनानी है. ये 7 एक्सरसाइज थी ल्यूसी ग्रे की. अब आएगा एबर्ट ऑफ कैंटरबरी टेल्स. मैं आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एबर्ट ऑफ कैंटरबरी टेल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स शेयर करूँगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अगर मज़ीद आप लोगों को इस किस्म की वीडियोज़ चाहिए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.